Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Eventbrite ticket pages linked from LinkedIn. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Eventbrite account. Navigate to the event you want to promote. On the event dashboard, locate the Manage tab. Click on Manage to access your event settings. Scroll down to find the Order Form section. Look for the option labeled Enable Tickets link. Toggle the switch to activate ticket links for your event. Next, copy the link provided for your ticket page. Now, open your LinkedIn account in a new tab. Go to your LinkedIn profile or your company page. Click on the Start a Post area to create a new post. In the text box, write a brief description of your event. Paste the Eventbrite ticket link into the post. Ensure that the link is formatted correctly and appears as a clickable link. Add any relevant hashtags to increase visibility. If desired, upload an engaging image related to your event. Review your post for clarity and professionalism. Once satisfied with your post, click the Post button. Your Eventbrite ticket page is now linked on LinkedIn. Monitor engagement through comments and reactions on your post. Consider following up with reminders closer to the event date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.